Chris Viola here with another edition of the Perfecting Equilibrium vlog. Today we're taking a look at the latest new tool just out in the past week from Adobe, latest new AI tool that they're adding constantly to their tools. More power to them. This is in Photoshop, and you can get it in the Photoshop beta. It's called Generative Expand. Let's say that you took a close-up of a fire hydrant. Now you want it to be more background. Yes, we know what the crop tool does, and we're not watching a quick video. So let's get the crop tool going there. Once you have the crop tool there, you just pull it out so the image is the size that you want. Let's scroll this back onto into the screen here. And if I leave this blank, it will take its cues from here and generate an expanded version of the image. Now, this is reasonably quick for an older machine, although it is making me want for the first time to add some more power to this thing. I've had this computer for 5 years, 7 years, without ever seeing the little hourglass come up. But these AI tools in Photoshop and Lightroom do hit some drag on the system. So well, let's see here. Okay. Well, I think it did good with the background and the sidewalk. I am not sure what it's done here. It really aged this thing. But as before with these tools, you get multiple choices here. So let's try this this one over here. Well, the second one looks a little better, so perhaps we've gotten that's a little kind of a squat there. It's interesting. Let's try the third one. You can do a lot more with this here. You can add a prompt in if you don't want it to just try to expand from the background, but that seems to me more like the way generative fill would work. So and here's the third one. The fire hydrant seems to be getting squattier and squattier here, but it's in general not bad. I like the way that even the shadow is kind of merged into this here. That's intriguing. Like all of these AI tools, you're going to have to play with it. You're going to have to try different prompts. You're going to have to see what works best for you. Some of these still give horrifying results, but all in all, it's another tool in your toolbox. Have at it. Feel out.